Welcome to the Rares report for Friday, July 5th. Data from these reports are collected from the Discontinued Items Thread on the Runescape Forums. Big shout out to Lyra for setting this up and maintaining it so well for so long. And a special thank you to the guys who keep the prices updated on these forums and who keep running the lists inside the R-Quark Friends chat inside RuneScape. And now on with our report. Easter egg prices rose through the night and then fell back by this morning, hitting 4 times along this same line, making a very tight channel here now, even tighter than it was yesterday. Pumpkin prices slid and then slid off again and are at very critical levels for this weekly prices, right back down to where we were last week. And this is an important breakout, and we'll see that this is happening in a few different places now where we identified this tightening price range, and now we see the prices are indeed slipping down out of that, and that's a very important indicator. When I was entering the data for this day, we could see the disc of returning went down and then went down again, and it's reaching important monthly levels right now, having broken down below the lows for earlier this week. As we go on to the party hats, as I was entering this data from the forums, I didn't think there was much movement in the party hats, and I thought it wasn't a very significant day. Until I had the data entered and the charts updated, we can see that purple party hat has just broken down below this triangle that we were watching. And even though it wasn't a big day in the market, we can see that the weekly yellow party hats also broke out of this triangle just slightly lower. And if I draw a line on this weekly chart right here, we can see this is a lower low here. So it's gone lower lows and trending down off of this. So this is an important small move day because of the price pattern changes. Green party hat I thought was a mistaken price, and it's recovered back up. We see a little bit stronger prices and it's staying above these support levels, but this quick little crash down there really makes me nervous about this market. And when we go on to red party hat, we see that it had just a very quick little dip down, 40 million gold pieces at one point during the trading period. And that kind of quick little dip, even though it was just for a second, that panic in the market shows some of the underlying feelings and confidence in the market. White party hat and blue party hat and Christmas cracker all stayed within their listed ranges. When we go on to green Halloween, we can see that it's just continuing on this long, slow, flat stage, and we're still watching for this one to make a decision to either go below these lows now out of this triangle, and we're just really watching. It's not a decided market. I couldn't trade this one myself. The blue Halloween has hit twice off this low here, but it's actually a bit lower low, the second one, and lower highs this area here too. So this is showing certainly a tight triangle here, and a decision in this market is coming up very quickly. Red Halloween mask went up and kept those higher prices, but it's just lying flat as well. When we go on to Santa hat, it is now creating a very interesting triangle pattern. And when I take out the drawing tool, we see it's got some nice higher lows going along, and then it hit twice off the same high price there. And even though in the longer term it looks like it's breaking above what was a very tight channel here, it still hasn't really confirmed strongly that this is the direction it's going. Now that it's tightening this channel here, it's still another trading decision to make in your Santa hats. And that's it for our Rares report for July 5th. Watch tomorrow for the weekend special edition, where we dig into some more depth into these charts and reviewing what happened for the week. Thanks again for all the people who are watching and liking these videos and sharing it with their friends. I see many more people are finding these daily reports now. It's awesome. Thanks again. This is Link Builder signing off.